Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Friday, December the 2nd. Post-unemployment data report. The numbers are in. We were expecting 175,000 increase in jobs. We got 178, so right in line with expectations. Muted market reaction. But let's talk about yesterday first. We had the S&P down 1/3%. We had the Dow up 1/3%, but the Nasdaq was leading losers, down another 1.5%. Leading losses on a weekly basis, down 3%. So looking at the other markets, we had crude oil close above 50 at 51 and 51 even or so. Let's keep an eye on that 52.20 recent highs as resistance right now. Gold made some new relative lows, got as low as 1160, but then closed essentially unchanged. So maybe a bottom is in place there. And the big news was the downward push in treasuries one more time, pushing yields up, and we were stayed above 3% in the 30-year note. So where do we stand here on this Friday morning to finish up the trading week? Well, those numbers have come out, and we're seeing a little bit of stability in the stock index futures. Right now, I've got the E-mini S&P unchanged. I've got the Nasdaq up 8, and the Dow futures right now, as we stand, the Dow is up about 25. What's interesting here is that the Dow and the S&P both made new all-time highs this week, and it looks like, without a surge here today, we could see a lower weekly close, so that's a key reversal, a sign of a near-term top. Now compare that to the Nasdaq's down 3%, didn't get anywhere close, actually got to 4,900, but did not make new all-time highs. Those are still in place from October 25th, a long time ago. Action right now in the crude market, we're essentially unchanged at $51 in that market, and gold is up $5. The dollar index is making a series of lower highs on a weekly basis after the highs at 102 last week, a lower high this week, and right now, looking at the dollar, we're about 101. The euro currency is at 106.50, a case there of higher lows after getting down to the 105 level last week, 105.50 this week. Right now, we're at 106.50. So, to sum up where we stand right now, stock index futures essentially unchanged in the S&P. The Nasdaq is up 5, and the Dow futures up 25, but we have a key reversal in place, and we've got a 98.5% chance that we're going to raise rates in December. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.